30 years of
Today we are gonna fight against the communists. Fight with us, the American.
A small child is born. What will he live for? Fighting for the rest of his life. Gunshots go on. The slice of the knife. Shrapnel within flesh. Children poisoned to death at the villages. Soldiers killed in corn.
Get us some air support now!
Split up in attack with no tracks. And they only fight back for survival reasons. And they wish in the sky for the will to keep moving. The jungles are a prison scarred into our visions. Now I want you to
Command, this is Alpha 6. We are taking heavy fire. Requesting immediate air support. Over.
Their blood spills all over the
Ambush!
rice fields.
Cover!
A tragic massacre of tears
Return
and
fire!
emotions that can flood the Mekong
We need
River
air
to
support
be
now!
an ocean. Our people
Repeat,
are suffering
air support
and
now!
time is running out. I see my mother working late again. Father holding paper tents. Drama on the corner. We ignore but we relate to them. Stay within the circle, representing every state we're in. Penetrate the system, now the prison wants to take us in. Listen to my elder folks, cause he loves to sell the smoke. Sisters in the kitchen cooking breakfast to the smell of smoke. Time to take a shower, family business flow. Still on the go, low from low, slug it out against the winter snow. Ever since existence we have been survivors, neglected, never cleaned the country, just wanted to live and let live. Now it's been 30 years since imprisonment in the jungle for the Hmong. Remind your elders and educate the young. Laotian government, genocide, human rights in violation. Clock is running down to total annihilation. Lift a finger now, stop procrastinating, save a child, save a mother. Throw your clock and watch away, the time is now. Stop searching